Next question, question number 13. In the given figure, a square. So this is the square. OABC is the square. Okay. OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. So OPBQ is quadrant, just like this. This portion represented here. Okay. This portion, this upper portion, right side upper portion represented here. So this square is inscribed, that means it is inside this quadrant which is given in the question. If OA, that means side of the square which is given in the question, it is 20 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. How can we find this area of shaded region? First of all, we should find out the area of quadrant. Next, we should find out the area of square. Next, if we are subtracting area of quadrant minus area of square, we will get the remaining portion, that shaded portion, correct? So, I am taking, first of all, I am drawing one diagonal here. This is squares, that means here it is making 90 degree each, correct? So, in triangle OAB, this is the triangle OAB. OB square is equal to, this is 90 degrees, so we can find out this OB, because here it is 20 centimeter, because all the sides are equal. This is square, correct? So we can find OB. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write OB square, this is hypotenuse. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square in the triangle AOB, correct? So OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. What is OA square? I want to find out radius. This is the radius. That is why I am finding OB. Clear? That is why, because if we want to calculate area of this portion, we don't have radius. That is why I am finding OB. This is the radius. So by using triangle Pythagoras theorem, we can find out OB. So OB square is equal to this OA square plus OB square, OAB square. So what is OA and AB? Both are 20, 20. So 20 square plus 20 square is equal to, 20 square is equal to 400 plus 400 is equal to 800. This is OB square. So we can find OB is equal to root of this 800. Root of 800. 800 I am writing 2 into 400. Root 400 we know that 20. Root 2 we cannot write. So I written it as root 2. So OB, that means radius of the circle, we got it as 20 root 2 centimeter. OB. Okay. Now I am calculating area of this quadrant. How can we calculate? Theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. What is theta? Theta is 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree because it is quadrant, correct? So 90 degree divided by 360 degree into value of pi, which is given in the question, that is 3.14 into r, now calculated 20 root 2 into r square. So you should multiply 2 times 20 root 2 after cancelling the maximum possible values. Okay, so 20 root 2 into 20 root 2, you know that is 800, because r square we are writing. R square is means OB square, 800 you can substitute here. So instead of this two numbers we can write 800. Okay, next cancel the maximum possible values. We will get the final answer. Area of this quadrant is equal to 628 centimeter square. Next we have to calculate area of OABC, this square. Okay, so area of square OABC, which is equal to side square. What is one side? That is 20. So 20 square is equal to 400 centimeter square. Now we got area of this quadrant and area of this square. Next we can find out the area of shaded portion. So area of shaded region, how can we calculate? Area of this quadrant, that is area of quadrant, is equal to 628 minus area of square, that is 400. 628 minus 400, which is equal to 228 centimeter square. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Next question, question number 14. Question number 14, A, B and C, D respectively. Let me draw the figure first. So this is the required figure, A, B and C, D. So this is A, B, this arc and C, D. This arc, respectively arc of two concentric circle of radius 1 radius, that is the highest radius is 21 centimeter, lowest radius, this is the shortest one, correct, that is 7 centimeter, and center as O, this is the center of this circle. If angle AOB, this angle is equal to 30 degree, which is given in the question. Find the area of shaded region. We have to find area of this portion. Easily we can find, because first of all we have to find area of this full portion, next area of this sector, then area of full sector minus area of this small sector, we will get the area of shaded region, correct. So directly I am calculate area of shaded region. We can calculate it as area of sector, which is the first sector, OAEB, full sector I am writing, OAEB minus area of this sector, small one, OC, here I am representing FOCFD. So area of OCFD, correct. How can we calculate area of this full portion? Theta divided by 360 degree minus into pi r square. R1 I am representing, minus theta divided by 360 degree into pi r2 square. So theta is always 30. Here it is making 30 degree divided by 360 degree into value of pi, which is given in the question, 22 divided by 7 into R1. First R is radius 21. So 21 into 21, R1 square, correct. Again, I am written it as 21 square minus theta is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi is 22 divided by 7 into what is R2, small radius, that is 7 square. So this is common, 30 divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7, this is common. So I am taking it in outside, okay, taking it as common. So 30 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 divided by 7 into, next is 21 square minus 7 square, this is remaining 21 square minus 7 square. So we can cancel some values here, correct, 0 and this one 3 we can cancel, 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12, again we can cancel it by 2, here it comes 6, here it comes 11. So after that we will get the final one is equal to 1 by 12. First we can write here, or we can write 1 by 6. This is 1 divided by remaining 6 into, now it is 11 by 7 into, again here it is 21 square means 21 into 21 minus 7 square means 7 into 7. We will get the answer. After subtracting these two values, we will get the answer is equal to 28. So final answer we will get 308 divided by 3 centimeter square is the area of this shaded portion. Okay. So first of all we should find out the area of full sector, next area of this small sector. Next we have to subtract the values, area of full sector minus area of this small sector. We will get the required area. Clear?